Are you tired of seeing strands of hair on your pillow and in your shower drain? Hair fall is a common problem, but did you know that natural remedies can help strengthen your hair and reduce hair fall effectively? Stay with us as we reveal the top 10 natural remedies to prevent hair fall. First on our list is a coconut oil massage. Rich in essential fatty acids, coconut oil penetrates deep into our hair shaft, nourishing and strengthening it from within. Warm a few tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage gently into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it on for an hour or overnight before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Next, we have onion juice. It's packed with sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair roots. Extract juice from one onion and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash with a mild shampoo. Repeat twice a week. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth. Extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before washing. Use this 2 to 3 times a week. Amla or Indian gooseberry is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen hair follicles. Mix amla powder with coconut oil and heat. Let it cool and apply to your scalp. Wash after an hour. Fenugreek seeds contain proteins and nicotinic acid, essential for hair growth. Soak seeds overnight, grind into a paste. Apply to your scalp and leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that boost hair growth. Brew 2 tea bags, let cool, pour over scalp after shampooing. Leave for 10 minutes before rinsing. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which improves scalp circulation. Warm castor oil mix with coconut oil. Massage into the scalp and leave overnight. Wash with a mild shampoo. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, essential for strong hair. Beat one egg with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply to hair and scalp. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Hibiscus flowers contain amino acids that nourish the scalp and strengthen hair. Crushed flowers mix with coconut oil. Apply to scalp and leave for 30 minutes. Wash with water. Neem has antibacterial properties that prevent scalp infections. Boil neem leaves, let water cool. Use as a final rinse after shampooing. These natural remedies can help you achieve stronger, healthier hair. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips. Thank you.